Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. I am super excited about this week's releases. We have some kits, we have spring multicolor, we have a wiggle for this week, we have some foil items, and then some miscellaneous items that I have been waiting to release for you guys. So let's go ahead and go through the wiggle first and then we'll get on to Friday's releases. Okay, let me get these set up. Okay, so we got the wiggles this week. This is the last new wiggle in this format. I'm thinking about bringing a couple of them back. I do have enough of some to like re-release it, I feel. So as in this past like wiggle format, the rest of the formats are all gone. But let me know what you guys think, if you guys want me to bring back some of the other wiggles before I introduce the new wiggle format. So same deal as the past couple of weeks. This is in a matte champagne gold, super beautiful. I feel like out of all of the wiggles, this one and the hollow one are the most like basic on the foil level, which is great for foil because I feel like you could totally use this with so many different spreads along with like hollow. This has the 15mm washi strips on here. Each sheet is $2, so you have your full box overlays, you have your glitter header overlays, you have your icons and date numbers, you have your mini icons, you have your border photo corners, and then you have, if you buy all 6 of them, it is $10 and you do get the sampler on top of it. So that is this week's wiggle. It is a matte champagne gold, like I said, and it will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Then we'll move on to the let's do the non-kit stuff first. So let's start with the well, some of these are stickers. Let's start with the non-sticker item. So first thing here, we do have a shimmer washi card. I've released a bunch of these, and this one, let me put my flashlight on so you can see the shimmer on camera. So as you can see, there is a shimmer throughout. It's just like the rest of our cards. This one has like the simplified line bow on the top, and it is a really pretty pink color. So that is a washi card. Then I have these sticky notes of me and Marg as munchkins with a pink to blue gradient background, which are so cute. So we have some new sticky notes. And then I'm doing 3 new vinyl decals. So these ones are from the November mystery. So if you guys remember, that is the planner related one. And this is custom art. So this has the planner card on here, the pink planner card. This is so dang cute. I love how big it is. It's going to look so cute in a setup, or maybe on my laptop. Maybe I'll need to bring another one home. And then there is this one, which is a really cute little TN. And then this was one of our most popular selling vinyl decals. This was in the 4-year bundle, I think, or the planner party, something like that. But it is just a really cute little frappuccino. So that is also coming back as well. Then I do have multicolor this week, spring multicolor that is. I will be removing winter multicolor, which I believe is on sale right now. The remaining stock, along with some scribblers and some other stuff. So I'll be removing the winter multicolor, but prior to putting up the spring multicolor, I'll probably leave the scribblers up one more week, and then I'm going to do some new scribbler releases next week, I believe. So if you guys want to pick up any of the remaining stock of those, definitely do so. I have some other things in the sale section as well. So let's go over the new releases here for the spring multicolor. So you do have the glitter header, so it does come with the 2 pages. Super cute. Then there are the work labels, the regular fancy labels, solid. Then you have the bows, the coffee cups, the square boxes, and then also the check boxes, which this was super highly requested for mini kit users mostly who don't have the check boxes because they don't have the icon pages in the kits. So I decided to go ahead and list it as like a little trial, and it's just on it's kind of like, I'm not really sure how to, that size. This is our normal sheet size that's in our kits. So you could kind of see how big this one is here. And it has a ton of check marks. I believe it is 81. 9 times 9 is 81, right? Yeah, 81 check marks on there, and a bunch of different colors that match the like Spring Multicolor. Then as for foil, I just have 2 releases this week since we have a lot of other like single items going on. I don't want to like overload order fulfillment, aka Emily. But I have some foil releases. I have a drawer. It's this drawer right under here. And it has all of my unreleased items in it. And I actually found a package of like foil I haven't released yet. So I think next week I might do a couple, maybe like 3 or 4 foil releases. I got a lot of foil to release. But these ones are super cute. So these are pretty similar to the kind of like 1 month to, I believe we have it maybe to 1 year on the baby sheet, the like baby milestone sheet. But I thought these would be great for countdowns. Like let's say you're going to Disney. You could take a Disney character sticker and then put 1 month or 2 months or 1 year or whatever as like a little bit of a countdown. Or if you're doing like month anniversaries with like a significant other or something like that, you could do like a little couple sticker in 1 month to 1 year. Maybe I'll do like more year ones, like 1 year to maybe like 1 year to like maybe 10 year, and then do 15, 20, 25 year for anniversaries. That might be cute. But this would be really cute for countdowns. It's kind of like a little bit of like a custom countdown, so you could put just like any character sticker you want next to it, and then it could be like a countdown backwards. So that is on all 3 foils, of course. And then this was actually in our mystery this past month, the January mystery. And these are numbers, which worked really well with like kind of like a birthday theme. But you could totally, again, use this like 8 and then do a little character sticker next to it and then write months or whatever you want to do. Or you could use it for birthdays, which that's what I intended it for. I'm sure there's tons of other uses that you guys will come up with, and definitely tag me on Instagram whenever you guys get these and use them however you want to use them. I just feel like some bigger and then smaller numbers are definitely very usable items. Those will be in all 3 foil colors as well. Then we do have 2 kits this week, which I'm really excited about. This first kit here is called Easter. Easter actually is like, I think it's the weekend after my birthday, so it's the week of my shop anniversary. So I'm actually not going to use this for Easter, but I love this kit so much that I think I'm going to use it in March. It's definitely Easter themed, but I feel like it could also just be really pretty spring themed with like a splash of bunnies. But I really love the colors in this kit. I love the green. I love the tone of the green. It's not like super green, but it's like a really nice, like cool tone green. I love the girl. I love the bunny. I love all of it. I love the colors. Like, how pretty are these colors? So cute. And then you have some simple kind of like almost like tie-dye looking papers, which I thought were really neat and unique. And then you have the little check box on the bottom, the extra little full box over here with the little feet with the bunny slippers. You have the little things, the headers. You have a ton of deco here. Again, these colors are beautiful. And then you have really simple bottom washi, which would look great with an overlay or great paired with a washi. You could do the 15mm washi add-on and then do one of our overlays to look super cute with bows probably, or even hearts would be super cute. And you have your extra full box there as well. And then the new little Munchkin sampler there. I do usually switch out the freebies. I feel like I switch them out like every like 4 to 6 months. So I'm like already like brainstorming what my next idea is. So that is the Easter Ultimate Kit. The collection also does come in a mini. I'm actually going to try just for this week and see how it goes, like production wise, to extend. What's that noise? To extend the mini kits an extra couple of days, like maybe till Monday. So this is the mini kit. So normally I do a 3-hour unlimited stock, but I'm going to try doing, usually the mini kits are the ones that sell out the fastest, but I'm going to try and do a weekend unlimited stock and see how it goes. Obviously, if it's too much on production, I can't do it in the future, but I'll definitely try it and see how it goes. So this is the Easter mini kit, and then like I said, there is the 15mm add-on if you want to add that on, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which is so dang cute. I love these colors. They're so pretty. So that is Easter. And then the last kit for this week is Wanderlust, which is so cute. It is a travel themed kit, and I love these colors, the pink and the orange. What is going on? Oh, there it is. The pink and the orange with the gold accents. I'm a fan. Here's the freebie. This is such a pretty collection. Oh, I love it so much. I love the like city kind of in the background. I love these shoes. They're on me my favorite pair of shoes. I love the flat lays. I love the back of the girl. I'm here for it. And then there is gold throughout, which I love. You guys know I'm a gold girl. I love the papers. I love this extra full box here. It's super cute. Little things, washi and headers, a ton of deco. Again, I've been trying to squeeze in a ton of deco, like making everything super small. I love the gold. I love this bottom wash. Totally forgot about this. I love the florals. It's just such a pretty collection, you know what I mean? And I love what is the word I'm looking for? Non-specific, I guess? I'm trying to think of what word it is. I'm sure you guys let me know. Non-specific travel kits, because there's a lot of places that we go that, you know, not everyone has art for. So this is nice to have. And also if you have like a trip that spans over 2 weeks and you do have a kit that is very, this is the mini kit, that is very, like let's say you're going to Vegas, so you have a Vegas kit. This would be, and let's say you leave on a Sunday, this would be a cute kit to use the week before if you don't have anything planned. Just a great kit to have on hand if you do any travel. Very neutral, I feel like, as far as seasons go. Pink is like an all year round thing for me at least. Then you have the option if you want to add on the 15mm washi strip, and you also have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which is so dang cute. So that's everything for this week, right? Yes. So that's everything for this week. All of these items do go on sale Friday at noon Eastern, besides the Wiggle that does go on sale Wednesday at noon Eastern. Let's see. I'm really excited for the new format of the Wiggle. We have all new Wiggle colors coming. But let me know if you guys want to see some of the old ones before I release those. I've also considered bringing any like, oh no, I just ripped a sticker off and it's Rogue. I will find it in the most, oh there it is. I'm going to find it in the most strangest of places. If you guys ever found a sticker like after you're done planning in like the weirdest place, like I find them like on the inside of my pants and I'm like, how does that happen exactly? But let me know if you guys want to see any of those before I bring the new Wiggles out, which I could totally do that. Like I said, I didn't finish saying because I was talking about stickers in my pants, but I also thought about bringing the extras to the shop as like a la carte and leaving them up at like a regular price, not like as a special price. But you guys totally let me know what you think in the comments down below if you guys want to see those, if you'd rather get them go up in the shop like just for always until they run out, or you want me to just do like random pulls with them. Y'all let me know. But that is everything for this week's new releases. I hope you guys like them. Also, February Mystery is going, spots were open this past weekend. Spots will be closed by the time you guys see this video, but I probably will be shipping that towards the end of this week, if not Monday. It's a little, I'm pretty early with the mystery, so I feel like a lot of people get confused at what month we're doing, but this one will be February. This was charged on January 1st, so it'll be February Mystery, and I'll hopefully be shipping it by, I would say like the 20th. That'd be my guess, by the 20th. But I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!